County, southern Woodford County in central Kentucky, southeastern Anderson County in central Kentucky, northwestern Jessamine County in central Kentucky, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Lawrenceburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Listen to the areas.
The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
It's over there.
Locations impacted include Lawrenceburg, Versailles, Ballard, Wilmore, Oregon, Boneville, Duggansville, Jessamine, Terrapin, and Dixontown. For your protection, move to an interior room